First things first, sign up for a Weebly account or a Wix account. Alright, I'm in the default site. After I go to the default site, I'm going to change the theme to make it more conducive. I'll go to personal. Let's go down to personal, and I'm going to click either this theme or this theme. So I'm going to click this theme. I'm going to choose this theme. And now I'm ready. The default stuff in here, and I probably skipped around a bit, but I'm on the themes. I changed my themes page. And now what I'm going to do is add the tabs. I'm going to, instead of editing the tabs, I'm going to delete all the existing tabs, except for maybe the home page, and hit new. It'll be easier to just start brand new. So these profiles, I'm going to delete this. And I know your tabs might see something different. Contact, I might keep. Well, no big deal. You can choose to change it, doesn't matter. But I'm going to keep the contact. I'll go back, and then I'm going to start over. So I'm delete these. So this is what you'll do when you add a new page. So you have a list of pages that you're supposed to add. After home, I'm going to add pages. I'm going to hit this add page, and I'm just going to do a standard page. So for my standard page, I'm just going to type my standard page. I'm going to start with career goals. And it's going to my header is going to be no header. And I'm done. Then I'm going to add another new page, another standard page, and I'm going to call the new one profile. You can also call it about me, header, no header, hit done. We'll build the pages later. Add the other page, which is going to be awards and honors. They're all going to be standard pages. Say awards, honors, done. I'm going to stop recording. You get the point. Okay, so I skipped ahead. I added all the pages. This last page I have to add is the most important one because this is what you'll be graded on every week, every month or so. It's the blog page. So this last page, you can either write it as a blog page, which is fine, or you can just make it a standard page and call it blog. If you do it as a blog page, again, no header. You can put a header if you want, but let's go no header. And then what you'll do, when I have a Georgia Best assignment for you to do, you'll just hit new post. You'll post a title. It'll be whatever that is. Obviously, it'll be smaller. You just say, I don't know, GA Best Professionalism. I don't know. That'll be one of the, and you'll make it smaller. Oops. There's gotta be a way to make this thing smaller. Hold on. Honestly, I can't figure out how to make this thing smaller, so I am going to do what I would do. You can play around, use this format. If you want to build a page, you'll have to just drag in text or drag in pictures and write the blog. And you just can edit it and figure out how to make it smaller. For me, the other option, the simpler option for all, would be to do this. I'm just going to delete that page. Pages. I'm going to delete this blog page for now. I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to call it a standard page. I'm going to call it blog or journal entries, whatever you want to call it. But let's just call it blog for now. Header, no header like everyone else. And I'm done. Now, to build these pages. Now that your pages are built, you'll just build the pages. For my standard blog page, I'll do this. And I'll do the same title for all, the same consistency for all the pages. First thing I want to drag an element. I'll drag a title. And I'll edit the title, call the title blog. You can make this smaller, shorter if you like. Whatever size you choose to make it, just make it sure it's consistent size for all. After I put the blog, I'm going to put the text below it, and this could be Georgia best professionalism, and I put the date, I don't know, the first due date I believe is like 1/31/2021. You don't have to choose these themes, but you're gonna have to write four or five blog posts this semester. I'll just pick whatever ones. Attitude, and we'll just say that was 2, 28, 21, so on and so forth. The Georgia Best themes you can find on my website, northspringswbl.org, under the resources tab, and just hit Georgia Best definitions, and you'll find all the categories. I'm gonna stop recording. You don't need to see me type. Okay, while you're gone, I just added the rest of these things, and I'll do this. So after you type these things, you can change this to a link. So on your link, you'll just change this to a file link. I highlighted the post, file link, and then I'll search or upload a new file. This is, I'm just going to pick any one of these things that are not offensive. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to click Georgia Best Standards for now. And whatever file it is what you'll be using, the PDF or the Word document that you save to your desktop. You upload it. And now the link is done. And that's it. So now when I click the link, when I'm grading it, it'll just open that up. So I'll publish it and show you what this looks like. To see what you've done on the website, you'll just hit publish. And then in real time, you can just click on your link to your website. This is what I'll see. This is what the world will see. So for me, as I'm grading, I want to just open up this website, Isabel, Kylie, Madison Milan. I took Sydney off because she doesn't answer her phone. and then I just go to a blog website. And when I go to the blog website, when I'm looking for the Georgia Best blog, I'll just click on the link file. I'll read your, my wife is screaming in the back. I'll just read your thing, and that's how I'll grade you each month. It'll be that simple. Now back to editing the site. So on the on your home screen, you don't actually have to use this, what they have going. If you want something complex like this, you can delete elements if you want, or whatever, to make it whatever you want it to make it. You can just keep it clean and just put a headshot on there, or whatever. For the first assignment, once you build the site up, and I don't need all this stuff. So you can delete this. You can add another page, call it a home page, and just put your name and a profile picture or whatever. Get as creative you want as your home page. And then but this is what I need. I'll need your first blog post, your Georgia Best thing, and then you're gonna also put on there your profile or your about me page. I don't know why she keeps screaming. Pause. So you'll have your title up, and it can say profile. Where's it at? Oops. So right here, I'll just type in about me, or you can call it. You can put your about me on here. You can put your, you can call it your profile, whatever you want. And then I'm going to add the text element about it. And I might add an image. So here, and then you upload the image the same way. So I'll just upload a picture from your computer, or hopefully it's nothing inappropriate on mine. I'm scared to scroll down. Let me pause. Should I go? Okay, yeah. For now. Obviously, I'll trim that down. This is a Jackson Cohen original. This is Jackson Cohen original, but I'm going to edit here, and then here I'll just type about me, blah, 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 and I'll get into more details about what you write on your about me thing here. So that's what you'll do here, and under this page, we'll talk about it later. This is where you're also going to upload your resume as well. So that's it. So you'll need a home page, the profile, first blog page for your first assignment, and then you're pretty much done. I think everything else is self-explanatory. And then on all your title pages, sorry, this is bothering me. On the pages, I just want to put the contact thing on the bottom. And that's it. So on that home page, it'll be John Doe or whatever it is. Electronic workplace learning portfolio. Oops. Portfolio. And that's it. You can change the background image or whatever. You'll play with it, you understand. But that's all I have today. I want to keep the video down to under 15 minutes. Okay, last thing. You can change this image. I don't mind this image, but if you want to, change the image to whatever. Scroll down. Come on. Change image. Whatever you want. You can pick one of these. You can select. You can upload an image. Pick a different theme. You can search an image. I don't know. Upload an image. I'll hit search, and I'll just do business. I'll do just shoes and out of the Entrepreneurship Club. Hit save and delete all these other